Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Odoo Accounting. This is a great starting point if you want to test Odoo for managing invoices, payments, customer accounts, vendor bills, reports, and other basic accounting activities in one place. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Odoo website. Odoo is a business platform that includes tools for accounting, CRM, inventory, and more. And in this walkthrough, we're focusing specifically on setting up the accounting app. Using the official website is important because it makes sure you're creating your account from the correct source and getting access to the latest Odoo trial setup. Once you're on the homepage, look for the button that says Start Now, it's free, and click it. This will take you into Odoo's trial setup, where you can choose the app you want to begin with. The trial setup is helpful because it lets you explore the platform before fully committing, so you can understand how the accounting dashboard, menus, and features work. On the next screen, select Accounting. This tells Odoo that you want your trial environment to be centered around accounting features, so the setup will be tailored to that app. After choosing Accounting, click Continue to move forward. This step is important because Odoo has many different apps, and selecting Accounting helps Odoo prepare the right workspace for finance-related tasks. Now you'll arrive at the sign-up form. Begin by entering your first and last name. Make sure you type your real details here, since this information may be associated with your trial account and future access. Using correct details also makes it easier to recover or manage your account later if needed. Next, enter your company name. If you're testing Odoo for personal learning, you can simply use the name of your business idea or organization. If you're setting this up for a real business, use the actual company name so your accounting environment looks more professional from the beginning. After that, type in your email address. Be sure to use an email you can access, because platforms like Odoo often use email for account communication, verification, or login-related updates. This email may also be used for trial notifications, password recovery, and future account access, so it's better to use an active and reliable email address. Then, select your country from the drop-down list. This can be important because it may influence regional settings, localization, and accounting defaults inside the platform. For example, your country selection may affect taxes, currency settings, fiscal rules, or other accounting-related options depending on your location. Next, choose your company size. This helps Odoo understand the scale of your business and may personalize the setup experience a bit. Whether you're a freelancer, small business, or larger company, this information helps Odoo recommend a setup that better matches your needs. Then, enter your phone number in the appropriate field. After that, select your preferred language, so the interface appears in the language you're most comfortable using. Choosing the right language can make the setup process easier, especially if you're new to accounting software or learning Odoo for the first time. You'll also need to choose your primary interest. In this case, since you're installing Odoo Accounting, select the option that best matches your accounting or business needs. This helps shape the initial experience and recommendations you may see inside the platform. For example, if you're mainly interested in managing invoices, tracking expenses, or reviewing financial reports, choose the option that best fits that purpose. Once you've filled out all of the required fields, take a quick moment to review everything for accuracy. This is a simple but helpful step, especially before creating any business software account. Double-checking your name, company name, email, country, and phone number can help prevent mistakes that may cause issues later. When everything looks good, click Start Now. Odoo will then begin creating your trial environment with the accounting app included. Depending on your internet speed and the setup process, it may take a short moment for the system to prepare your workspace. And that's it! You've successfully started the process of installing Odoo Accounting. From here, you'll be ready to explore the dashboard and begin setting up your accounting workflow inside Odoo. You can start by reviewing the accounting dashboard, checking the configuration options, adding company details, and exploring features like invoices, bills, payments, bank synchronization, and financial reports.